Thank you for watching Ravi's I View My YouTube channel. I sincerely appreciate your time. In the last episode, we did speak about how the IT or information technology business gets categorized into three broad segments: access points, computing and cloud, and applications. Today, the topic which I'm going to talk about is generally the world is moving towards more processed data at a local level. I think the end thing which people keep talking about now is the edge as a technology, both in terms of computing as well as security aspect. While many devices are already started supporting edge as a technology, more and more devices which will be used in the future in the IT framework of things will continue to support edge as well. I mean, that's my assumption. Now, edge as a technology or edge as an implemented solutions in any enterprise broadly has got a lot of pros. The most important of them all is the latency requirement. Edge supports at a local level, reduces the latency levels which is desired by any enterprises for the processing of the data or related activity for the business. Therefore, it is easy for enterprises to adapt to edge as a technology. Now, on the con side, edge might work out to be very expensive. The reason being, when centrally distributed data processing is adhered in any enterprises, it may not involve different control mechanism at a local level, whereas edge will necessitate that everything has to be done at a local level, keeping in mind about the latency reduction. Even the cost of transmission in many cases might come down drastically. But the question which normally any IT infrastructure company or any implementer raises is that through an edge technology, prevention of security breach might work out to be mightily expensive. There are different thought process at different level, but edge, generically speaking, in an area where IoT dependent business models are existing, edge is a fantastic solution for them. I'm not very sure whether it will work for financial services industry. In India, we popularly call them banking, financial services, and insurance, BFSI, and many more mission critical processes which is used for the businesses. Will edge be a safer technology? Yes or no is not an easy answer to give. Depends upon the kind of implementation process an enterprise adopts is where the edge might be mightily successful. But we have a challenge here. Many enterprises, specifically the age-old enterprises, which are dependent on established processes, adapting them to edge, moving away from the existing process is going to be a bit of a challenge. The case in point, of course, may not be related. The outage which has happened with Facebook a couple of days ago resulted in Facebook going out of the earth for almost 6 to 7 hours. The explanation which was given is a routine BGP upgrade absolutely collapsed the DNS of Facebook. I mean, that's a challenge which is faced by the world's one of the biggest tech firm like Facebook. Similarly, when I come to adaptation of a newer technology in the areas of edge, will it be a robust technology for enterprises? My answer is yes. It's robust. Control point, it's local. Will there be a threat in the aspect of security? Absolutely. Prevention of any security breaches is going to be extremely difficult or mightily expensive when you're adapting to edge as a technology. The processing of edge as a technology for computing need to be supported by edge security aspect as well. Both of them are, I can say, emerging, but both of them are quickly becoming popular for many and many enterprises across the globe. Of course, India has got one advantage. The biggest advantage what we have is that we might be the last entrant in the digital transmission world in every aspect, including government, but the possibility of adapting to edge will become easier for us because our size is comparatively smaller than the most advanced economy of the globe. So anything and everything what we learned are the things which we learned from the advanced economy which has implemented that, proven to the world that it's time tested. But when it's a question of edge, it may be a challenge because we have very few case studies or use cases which can tell us what could be the downfall of edge as an adaptation. At this point in time, one can wait and watch. But before I sign off, I would like to assure you, edge is the technology which is going to be the most significant element of the IT strategy for any enterprise in India. But the question mark is, do we have a capable implementer in the IT industry in India who can support your edge as a vision is a question to be answered. Wait for my next part where we'll discuss more about computing and applications. Signing off from you, Ravi Venkatraman. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Ravi's iView. If you like my videos, subscribe to them, like them, and share with others. Thank you so much.